Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am hiking, but I'm also on a trail. I don't know where, but it's really cool. Look, I'm walking with my family right there, and we're on a hiking trail. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Isn't it amazing? This trail, like, always on and on and on. I know. So I'm basically going to be making a vlog today. So yeah. Also, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Yeah. Follow me on Elizabeth_Pinkasova. And then also subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. And click all if you guys want to see more videos like this where I vlog and everything. So at the end of the trail, I just want to give you guys like a little view on how beautiful it is. Isn't it beautiful? A big tree, not bad, but it's so amazing here. It took us 1 hour to drive here. And it was worth it. I really mean serious, it was really worth it. You guys see those birds? I love those. My sister's in the front, and my parents also are. You guys heard that? That was amazing. I love that noise. So there's one trail right here, and there's this other trail that we just went through. Next time when we come, we're gonna go through both. We're gonna go through the one that we just went through first all the way. We didn't go all the way half, and then on the other one, and then we're gonna go to the other one. But probably next time we come. Oh, there's so many cute animals here. They have horses. If you guys did that. It's so cute. Careful. Look at that. So nice. So yeah, it's really nice. I want to show you guys the horses here. They have pet horses. And they're like my most favorite animal ever. I want to show you guys them. I named one. My sister named one too. My sister saw this black one. She named it Blackberry. And I saw the one in Adopt Me. It looks exactly like the ones that Adopt Me. And I named it Chocolate Chip like I regularly would. Where is it? I need to find that. Oh, it's so cute though. I love it. You're adorable. I want to show you guys the horses, so I'll be right back. So, my parents said we're going to show you guys later. Oh, but yeah. That's where usually we saw them. Like somewhere over there, if you guys can see the stables. It's so nice. I love it here. That's my family. Well, my mom and sister and my dad over there on the phone. There. It's just so nice here. It feels like relaxing and everything. I just love it. It's amazing just to feel like outside in the nature, walking. It's also good for your legs. You're basically hiking, doing an exercise, and breathing delicious air. Well, yeah, right now it smells so good. I love this air here. It smells like nature, if you guys wonder. So, here's the trail. Later, I want to show you the big, where we came, like where we parked at. It's a big, humongous grass trail. My favorite thing about this entire park was probably the cool, like the nice hiking and the horses. And also we saw this humongous big tree. It was humongous, like really, really big. I really much like that. It was like about that type of tree. It was like that type of tree, but bigger. And under it, we could go like under the tree. Can you guys believe that? It's kind of windy right now. So if you guys are wondering what I'm doing, I'm wearing a hood and a ponytail. Oh, and plus, I know it's quarantine here. My mask fell off. My parents said it's fine because then they want good air and everything. Look at that, birds and crows and everything. If I could just show you guys. Oh, they're flying away. It's really nice here. I'm gonna show you guys my... Vika, say hi! Mom, Dad, say hi! Papa. So yeah, cat of course at home. Can't go outside. Because, okay. But look at that. Oh my. I'm gonna guys show you how I usually run and have fun in this. So you guys saw me running. Yeah, no, it was actually really fun. I told my sister, let's run. She didn't want to. We like doing this game. It's like we play Ice Cream 3 in real life. Like she's Rod. And for example, she's Rod for the first round and she gets me. And I'm Rod. I bet you doing the exact same thing I did in the game. But it's just that the boy wasn't really Rod. I wonder why they made the character that you are a boy in Ice Cream 3 or 2 or 1. Both. I'm not all of it. Why did they make it a boy? Why couldn't they make it a girl? Because you know some close my plant. With my sister. She loves playing it. This is so beautiful. Look at that. That's where the birds are chirping from. That big, a bunch of trees. Look at that. My family. Well, not my family, but like my mom and sister. My dad lives there, like I said. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna have to leave soon. Well, right now. I'm gonna walk a little bit closer to it. Because my mom, and sister over there. It's so beautiful here. I give this place a 9 out of... No, actually I give this place like a 10 out of 10 stars. Well, actually I give this place a 5 stars. It's really nice. Guys, say hi.
Hi. So now we're going to be seeing what its things made of. The things are
Yeah.
made of.
I really like this place. It's really nice. And it kind of reminds me of this vacation place we went to. Because it had lots of nature, it's really clean. Like the sidewalks, everything was clean, no garbage. It has some type of typical. This, of course, has bees in it. Ooh. People who don't like bees. But, yeah. We went to it when we were at the trail. There was this big wasp. And I did not move at all. And it didn't get me. It was just good. So we're about to go in the car soon. Let's say one good to the nature before we come next time. Goodbye, nature. Goodbye. You don't want it. Not ever. Don't mind my sister. She's pretending to be a teacher.
Pick it up.
So yeah. Now we are actually gonna go in the car. And there's just I'm gonna stay safe. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, make sure you guys like it and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And click also, you guys know every single time I post a new video. And also tell me in the comment section down below if it's on. If not, DM me on Instagram. If you want me to make vlogs. Also follow me on Instagram, like I said. Bye guys!